Hello guys, welcome to another exciting travel vlog. I go by the name Moseax, and if this is your first time you're watching my videos, kindly just do me a favor, subscribe. So this weekend I'm taking you guys to Lake Magadi and Ngong Hills. We'll be staying at an amazing place in Nkoroi, Kajiado County, inaitwa Empiris. It's a Maasai word. I'm sorry kama nisema vibaya. So guys, join me. Let's see how this goes down. Yeah, so good morning guys. As a Moseaxing, tunaanza from Nakuru, Malnode Safaris.
Jana kuna romba. Unataka nionekane?
Sikuje side nyingine. Yeah. Tunaanza from Nakuru. Wow. Yes, so this is our first stopover. Tumefika Naivasha, Delemea stopover with this amazing partner. Msijali.
Wewe acha niwaambie, we don't do this. Ati lazima mimi kwanza navanga mismatch socks because I never find one socks of the other partner, so bibi sijisumbue akili. As long as my nini ya warm.
Anakuwa na akili mbaya. Anyway guys, so we're heading to Magadi. That's where we're heading to today.
But
then
spending the weekend.
Empiris guest house, Nkoroi, Nairobi.
Ati nini?
Nkoroi.
Nasikia umesema Roy, sana shanga Roy ni tena.
Yeah.
Guys, me I'm hungry. Wish. Una choice. Hey guys. We are here. Wait, Sunny.
Kuna sanitizer hapo mwenda.
Unataka kutili? Okay, guys, we are here and we are at Empiris.
Come on.
By the way, honestly, I can't compare hiyo jina na constipation zinanilemeanga.
Anyway, guys, finally I made it to Empiris. Nkoroi, Nairobi. Rongai.
We'll be staying here for 2 nights and 3 days, 2 nights.
3 days, 2 nights. This on a Friday.
So guys, Rachel ameconstipate.
Kama unasema jina yangu mzuri. Watu
wajire ni gani?
Karakim.
Karakim. Karakim ameconstipate.
Yeah, so from Rongai to this place, I think it's about 10-minute drive. Like from Rongai town to Bankai place. On your way to Magadi, or Syrian, the Magadi road. So we're here. Yeah,
yes. So we're going to Magadi later, but of course your girl has to dress up. This is just
So ladies wasema you are hot, let's see. You are very low. You are very low. You are very low. You are not hot.
poa.
So tuko, yeah, we're here na Jeff Paul.
Umesema Jeff. Kai.
Chef.
People, ni nani? Na ulikuwa unanichekelea pale nje. Paul Kihara.
Yes, so tuko kwa Empiris. But inaitwa Empiris ama inaitwa
Empiris.
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 Yeah, so tuko na Jeff Paul.
Yes. Anatutengenezea breakfast because watu wengine hawezi pika.
I can cook.
You can cook what? Water.
Everything. Yeah, water hapo mbaya tena.
Naweza chemsha mayai, maji, mchele kidogo. Most sisi wa Kenya tunapikanga chakula tu tupike. For the, as in kuserve. Tunapika chakula alafu una serve. Umemixiwa kila kitu.
Mimi sina siwezi osha
presentation.
Siwezi osha kwani najipresentia.
Hata chakula inakaa delicious. Unasikia njaa.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Cheese tena.
Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. So today nimeamua kupeleka hawasi on a tour. Sijui ni wapi tunaenda lakini I'm taking them on a tour. Thank you very much.
Moving away to the sea for a getaway. Car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dying for the first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean. It's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days are never ending.
Donkeys, yeah? I can see the windmill, my friend. Yani watu wengine wakikata maji, kuna wengine wakata upepo. So at least nimeona nasema iko mwisho ambao niliamsha 6 AM. Imeanza ku make sense. Sababu tumetravel tukufanya mavitu ya stuff kama hizo sio pro. So welcome to my YouTube channel one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Zawadi. You're the people. Something.
Are we speaking live? Like I'm also supposed to say welcome to my channel.
Hey, don't be real, don't be real.
Are we lying? Okay, so lying. Welcome to my channel. So you remember the biz we Kulada meter? That's why we decided to come here with the
we Kulada meter. Game with the chiles and stuff like that. You get what I'm saying? See, the guys are here with the Ganes.